Hello guys, the next game is going to be a 2 plus blue. This video is going to be basically on the rainbow 2 plus. Watch now as I attempt to stake everything I have for the next game. I'll place a bet that the next game will be a 2 plus blue, but then I don't think we have time, so let's place. The next game definitely will be a 2 plus blue. And if this is your first time of stopping by, this is Cindy Virtual. I want to say a very big thank you. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Please, you're making the world a better place doing that. So watch. The next game also will be a 2 plus blue. This is as easy as it gets because it works like magic. So I'm staking everything this time just to prove that this pattern is very, very exclusive and it's effective. So watch now as we wait for the next outcome. It's going to be a 2 plus blue. This is a pattern you can just get by merely looking at your screen. Just look at the statistics. You are able to achieve this same result in a very short period of time. I guarantee you that. So watch now. 2 plus blue definitely will make it in the next outcome. It could even be a 3 plus 2. It is going to be a 3 plus. Let's just watch. You see? You see? You see? So this is just it. It's that simple. Watch the third one. 2 plus blue 2. Definitely. I'm going all in. I am very confident and I am very, very sure about this pattern because I have worked on it part time and it doesn't fail. Just watch now. This is my third game, remember. So watch. Just pay attention. This is definitely going to be a 2 plus blue. Just wait for it. Just be patient and wait. I'm very sure it is a 2 plus blue. Okay. You see? And that was a win. That was a win, people. So for my fourth game, let's wait. So now, looking at my frequency now, definitely, I am sure the fourth game is going to be a 2 plus red. Watch. It's going to be a 2 plus red. And I am going all in. I am giving everything into it. And I'm staking everything. Watch. Let's wait. Ooh. 2, 1, 0. Yes, people, you see? And that was a win. That was a win. It is that simple. You can get it. Let's go for the next one. It's going to be a 2 plus blue. Let's go. This will be my final game and we'll call it a wrap. Please share this video. Like it. Subscribe to this channel. There will be a lot of smile on my face as soon as you do that. Just watch. Let's wait for the outcome. Just be patient as we wait for the outcome. So I have a complete tutorial video on this pattern with a step-by-step guide on how you'll achieve your results without headaches. Just watch. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, you see? And that's a win, people. That is a win. You see, I have everything you need explained in this video, how you can get this result. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to share it. So one more and we are done. So watch. One more and we call it a wrap. It just gets fun and it keeps going. So watch. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Let's wait for the outcome. Yay! You see that? And that's it, people, for this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Thank you so much.